I'm T. Cooper. I'm a New York City makeup artist, hairstylist, and co-founder of beauty and grooming company MetroLook. Today we're going to talk about how to make curly hair lay better. One of my favorite ways to do this is through product. You could use either a gel or a mousse. We're going to use a mousse today. So you're going to take your mousse, you're going to shake it up, then we're going to distribute it to the palm of your hand, like so. Like a golf ball size, and just like pat it through the hair. And if your hair is tangly, then you might want to brush it through first. But you're going to brush it after anyway, but for easier brushing, if you've got tangles, make sure you brush through it. I'm going to use a little bit more mousse. I like mousse because it really does lay things down. And it eliminates a lot of the flyaways. So now what you do is you go in with a cup brush, like so, maybe a paddle brush. And you just brush throughout the hair. I'm going to turn her around. And you just brush just to make your hair nice and smooth. Lay it down. See, there you go. Nice, tamed, curly hair. I'm T. Cooper, and I just showed you how to make curly hair lay better.